And the webcam from Kansas City, Missouri yesterday evening showed a pretty unique scene over the city. You can see, of course, some of the lights, but then those clouds developing and then one towering cumulus cloud there off into the distance, which gave way to a little bit of a shower and even maybe a rumble of thunder, but a nice picture there. All right, so things are much quieter in the Atlantic after our first hurricane of the season earlier this week with Chris. We'll be watching the central heat, of course, excessive at this point, and then spotty severe weather concerns will be developing in the outer periphery of that once again. So other than Chris, we have a low probability of tropical formation with that wave. The remnants of what was Beryl last week over the central Atlantic, so the remnants still kind of sticking into portions of the the western Atlantic. But as we take a look at the Phoenix, Arizona webcam from overnight, a little bit of cloud cover sneaking overhead. We had yesterday some pockets of heavier rain with some of the monsoon thunderstorms that developed. Tucson picking up another quarter of an inch of rain. And as we head through the afternoon and evening, the thunderstorms will become a little bit more widespread and numerous. With these thunderstorms, flooding can't be ruled out, or dust storms, so that is certainly of some concern. You can see pockets of locally heavy rainfall with this through this upcoming weekend, so keep up to date on that. And we do, of course, need the rain. You can see a lot of negative numbers here since the beginning of the year, and the exceptional and extreme drought conditions continue over much of the region. Now, parts of the western Oregon, California, and even to Washington under excessive heat advisories and warnings there. We do also have that in the central and southern U.S. Des Moines, Milwaukee, Chicago, Kansas City, and also down into St. Louis into the triple digits and 90s. Same for the central U.S. today, and feels like temperatures in the southeast will be hot once again. We're looking at 96 in St. Louis for today, 97 in Dallas, but on the outer periphery of this is where we have that shower and thunderstorm threat, and today some of those storms could be a little bit on the strong side.